Hello, my name is Alex, and in this video I will show you how to connect PC-DMIS with Optocat for automatic data transfer and inspection. Let's get started. Alright, so I have PC-DMIS open, and to be able to use the interface, make sure that icon offline is activated, and I'll start a new routine. Optocat demo. Okay. In addition to that, you would need the Smart Scan probe, which comes automatically with this interface. This allows you to extract data from the mesh and calculate features based on scan data. In addition to that, you want to make sure that your mesh toolbar is activated. Mesh toolbar allows you to import STL files, generate color maps, and also connect to Optocat. And the default port is 2323. So now PC-DMIS is ready to receive data. Back to Optocat, we already have some scan data generated, and we didn't merge yet, so we have 8 scans. So we didn't create the STL file yet, because we want to make sure this merge result is going to PC-DMIS. First, make sure that the port matches PC-DMIS. Under settings, project parameters, make sure that the port is set correctly. Default is 2323. In addition to that, you can send the data through an Ethernet address through an IP. For example, let's say PC-DMIS is on a different system in your network, and you can send the data straight through the network to this particular system. So it doesn't have to be on the same laptop. So this is correct. Now we need to tell Optocat, when you create the STL file, send it to PC-DMIS. So in this case, under parameters and options, you want to set what you want to do with the merge result. In this case, we want to send it to a hexagon software. So we select hexagon inspection and confirm with OK. So now we're ready to send the data to PC-DMIS. PC-DMIS is connected and is waiting for the mesh to be calculated. By merging, we generate the STL file, and this will automatically be sent to PC-DMIS. And once this is done, we'll go ahead, load the CAD file, and do a quick inspection and report, and remerge the file again, just assuming that we scanned a different part, and PC-DMIS will run through the inspection with the new STL file. Alright, this is almost done. And so this is now the mesh file, and in PC-DMIS the new mesh is right here. Alright, so we're still connected. Let's go ahead and load up the CAD file. Do a quick alignment, mesh alignment, and if you're familiar with that, you can either do an auto compute, or you can also use point pairs by clicking on the CAD and the mesh to automatically align the two together. So in this case, I'll do the auto align. Alright, so we aligned. confirm is okay, and let's calculate a color map. Set the tolerance and hit apply. This will calculate deviation to cat for each data point. All right. We also can create annotation points at certain areas of interest. You can see how the part deformed or warped at certain areas by placing annotation points. Hit create, and if you have multiple color maps, you can switch between the color maps from the drop down. And in this case, let's hide the mesh and let's extract a couple features by holding shift and mouse over a particular feature. You will be able to select it, and it will automatically is extracted from the scan data. Once it's initialized, we can directly extract this particular feature, and this will tell you how many points were used to determine this feature. So let's just do this couple features, and then we can perform our inspection. Let's do a couple callouts for the cylinders. And just the diameter, type in the tolerance, create. In addition to that, we can measure an angle dimension between plane 1 and plane 2, and maybe a flatness callout for plane 1 and plane 2. So this will generate flatness. And if you look at our report, so this is our inspection table, and what we can also do is create a couple snapshots. So let's just do a snapshot or just the scan data right here, and activate the color map, and also do another snapshot for just the color map right there. And we can add additional comments. So let's say scan data, and this is our color map, and this is inspection. Okay, so let's have a look, and maybe we want to add a new page after the color map. Insert, report command, form feed. So this is now our simple report: scan data, color map, and some dimensions. So we're still connected. So what it means is then, if you go back to Optocat and generate a new STL file, let's assume we scan a different part and want to run the inspection on it. We hit merge, create a new file, and the mesh in PC-DMIS will be replaced, and the inspection will be recalculated, and the reports will be updated as well. So this is almost done. All right. the data will be sent to PC-DMIS. So this is the scan data. If we go to PC-DMIS, you can see we're loading the data, the CAD, and it processes the inspection program. And this all happens in the background. Okay, so it loads the STL and CAD and calculates the report. There you go. So it runs, as you can see, run through the whole calculations, and this is now the new report: scan data, color map, and dimensioning. Alright, so this is how you connect PC-DMIS with Optocat to run an automatic transfer and inspection. My name is Alex, and thanks for watching.